Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake.
Today, we are talking about daily routine English, from morning to night.
That's right. We will use simple English that you can practice every day.
Great! Jake, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
What do you do first?
First, I turn off my alarm. Then I get out of bed and make my bed.
That's a good habit. After that,
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower.
nice. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit.
What do you drink?
I drink coffee. Sometimes I drink orange juice.
Everyone, let's practice.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Good job. Now let's continue.
After breakfast, I get dressed and leave for work.
How do you go to work?
I drive my car. Sometimes I take the bus.
How long does it take?
It takes about 30 minutes.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails, attend meetings, and talk with coworkers.
That sounds busy.
Yes, but I enjoy my job.
Everyone, repeat after us.
I go to work in the morning.
Excellent.
Around noon, I have lunch.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich, salad, or rice with vegetables.
Do you eat alone?
Sometimes, but I often eat with friends.
That's nice. Talking with friends makes lunch more enjoyable.
I agree.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax for a while.
How do you relax?
I watch videos, listen to music, or read a book.
Sounds relaxing.
Then I have dinner with my family.
What do you usually have for dinner?
We often eat chicken, vegetables, and rice.
Family dinners are important.
Yes, we talk about our day and enjoy time together.
Let's practice another sentence.
I have dinner with my family.
Perfect.
After dinner, I sometimes take a walk.
Walking is a great habit.
It helps me feel calm and healthy.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth, prepare for the next day, and read for a few minutes.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around 10:30 at night.
That's a good schedule.
Thank you. A good night's sleep is important.
Before we finish, let's review today's key sentences.
I wake up at 6:30.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I have lunch.
I go home.
I have dinner with my family.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Wonderful! These are useful daily routine phrases.
Practice them every day and try using them in your own conversations.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Happy learning!
Great topic. Many English learners visit restaurants and want to speak confidently.
That's right. Today we will learn simple and useful English.
Let's begin.
Imagine you walk into a restaurant. What does the server usually say?
The server might say, "Hello, welcome. How many people are in your party?"
Good question. If you are alone, you can say, "Just one, please."
If you are with a friend, you can say, 2 people, please.
Then the server takes you to a table.
After a few minutes, the server returns.
The server might ask, "Can I get you something to drink?"
I can answer, yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
"I'd like a cup of coffee, please."
Let's practice together.
"I'd like a cup of coffee, please."
Excellent!
Next, the server gives you the menu.
Sometimes there are many choices.
Yes, that can be difficult.
If you need more time, you can say, I need a few more minutes, please.
That's a very useful sentence.
Now let's order food.
I look at the menu and choose a cheeseburger.
What do you say?
"I'd like the cheeseburger, please."
Very simple and polite. What about you, Judy?